Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best longboard skateboards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Quest Super Cruiser Skateboard Longboard. Do you want to enjoy with skateboards? Then, Super Cruiser Skateboard is the best skateboard that will fulfill your needs. It is created utilizing ply hardwood maple that appear beautiful when riding this skateboard. The skateboard definitely meets numerous standards, hence it is very safe when you are riding it. It additionally includes of dependable components, for example aluminum trucks, and the wheel has ABEC 7 bearings making the deck to move with a high speed. Operators appreciate because the longboard usually comes when it is oiled to ensure used has added convenience. Moving on at number 4, we have the Volador Freeride 42-inch longboard. Improve your skills by purchasing this Volador Freeride cruiser. The unit has a 42 inches drop-through arch deck which delivers flex and greater shock absorption advantages, hence you will be safe when riding this longboard. Made with 8-ply normal hard rock maple and also this deck has an epoxy glue construction, the board is ideal for your requirement. It is additionally made with of 7-inch aluminum tucks which can be adjusted to your desired angles. The deck has a long-lasting PU wheels that are well matched with the ABEC 9 bearings. At number 3, we have the TenToes Board Emporium Z Bamboo Skateboard Cruiser. Next in our list is the TenToes Board Cruiser. It comes with amazing features for you. This is a high-quality item that will enable you to skate with more stability. Apart from that, it's additionally designed to have loss angles for an amazingly vintage look. Furthermore, it contains 7 inches trucks made of aluminum that is much lightweight. It has a volatile and even gliding reverse kingpin and has a wheel that has rock surface finish. At number 2, we have the Atom Drop 41-inch deck longboard. This longboard is ideal for beginners who want to practice skating. As its name suggests, it's a drop deck that will enable you to raise stability and minimizing the stress of navigating it on town. This deck is made such that it is wide at the middle with 9.6 inches that provides the user more stability. It has while length as 41 inches that is average for any rider to use. This property makes this deck a great blend of steadiness and speed for simple riding. The desk is square-lipped in order for it to have a wide surface area, and this makes it a great deck because it will have more stability when the user is riding. It has a diameter of 70 millimeters. It is one of the longboard that are cheap in the market. And finally at number 1, we have the Atom Drop 40-inch through longboard. This deck is well made with 8 layers of maple seal. This skateboard is a drop-through model that usually has a cutout overhead its wheels making it to be more stable. It arrives with a 50 degrees angled trucks. Its turning area is very wide for you to have a smooth ride. The wheels of this longboard are 70 millimeters diameter. They run smoothly and constructed for traction. It is perfect for novice riders, also they can be used by professionals for games and recreational activities. They are super fast and the wheels comes with ABEC 9 bearings. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.